DriveSavers, y'all saved the day. Kesha here. So last week I was kayaking with orcas and I have like paddles and going. I see the whales. I get super excited. I whip my phone out, take a video. In the madness, my oar drips onto my phone. My phone stops working. And I realized this later and I panicked because I write music. I have over 1,000 voice memos on my phone. That's where I save all my ideas. And my phone was just dead, gone. And I sent it to y'all, and in 2 days, you saved my phone. You saved the day. Thank you, DriveSavers.
DriveSavers. We can save it.